like, we can just stop now, you know? She's done. This one is blue.
Zoe, do you like those cars?
Let's see what else is in your stocking. Put your hand in there and pull something out. Let's see. What's this? Zoe. A book! Cookies, Christmas cookies. Should we read it? It's Christmas time. We want Christmas cookies, not these, said Cookie Monster. Hi, Cookie, said Big Bird. I came to help you make Christmas cookies.
Hi there.
Look, I brought some special cookie cutters.
And there she goes.